All right, let's talk a bit about Lexi. I really love working with Lexi. So Lexi is our support action agent here at Click. And, we were running into the fact that about 60, 70% of our inbound tickets were the same questions. It continued to come in to our tier one support team, and customers were waiting for answers that already exist sometimes right on our help site, or even within some of the documentation we have to train our own support team, right? So here's what Lexi does. Lexi will read incoming tickets, chat messages, emails. She's going to pull answers from the knowledge base. Our Lexi, she was trained with a number of past tickets and the responses that our real agents gave there as well, and all of our product documentation. Lexi can help answer common how do I questions instantly 24/7. So you don't need to wait for a support rep to get back to someone. She can help with those questions right away. Lexi's also very good and trained to know when to escalate it. She will flag anything that's complex, account sensitive, or something that may border kind of an angry message from a human. Lexi's going to tag every ticket so support and product know which issues are spiking. So if we have a number of people coming in and asking questions about a specific feature, Lexi's going to surface that to our team so that we can understand, okay, maybe we need another help doc on this, or maybe we need to provide more information to our customers about this. Why does this matter for marketers, right? Customer experience is marketing. Faster responses can improve things like NPS scores, retention, and case studies that you may write in the future with customers. So I could talk about Lexi a whole bunch, right? But let's actually just take a look at Lexi. So I'm going to take over the screen for a moment, and we will take a look at Lexi here. One of the things that I wanted to start showing is that we had a support chatbot for a long time on our help site. It was available. Our Click support bot is what it was called, not very human-like, right? But I'm actually going to ask it a question that I had a customer ask me this week, because it's questions that I'm getting, which means that Lexi may also be getting these as well. And it was, how do I add conditional logic to a form? Well, I asked that question, and it's like, okay, here's some articles that may help. Go figure it out, right? That is what this chatbot did, and what we see a number of chatbots do. Very continually is just, here's the information. Wasn't much thinking about it, didn't frame a response for the question. So let's go ahead and start a chat with Lexi. You'll see her waving over here, like you may see, Tim, on our main website. If you're a Click customer and you haven't used something like Lexi before, she is very, very helpful. So she's going to have, ask me a question to get started. With any AI agent, we can give some suggested prompts or questions. You'll see that quite often with AI. But I'm actually going to take and ask the same exact question that I did before. How can I add conditional logic to a form? We're going to ask Lexi that. Lexi's going to think about it for a minute, because Lexi is an employee. So she is going to think through, look through the documentation, and then come up with a response on how I can add conditional logic to a form. So she's going to read through those documents instead of just linking the documents like we saw here with the bot. She's giving me the actual instructions about how to use the Form Designer's form logic features. So it came right through. Oh, I think I clicked the wrong thing. But she's going to come through and add very specific instructions on how to do it. She's not just going to send me links to go to. She's going to give me instructions on how to do it. And she's going to continue to bring those through. Now, she did pull a number of these things from our website, but these agents have skills where they can read the information from our website, from our past supports tickets, and pull all of that through. Now, she did reference it, right? And she's giving us notes about things where form logic may not work, right? So avoid periods in your field names, something you might not have thought of. I wouldn't have thought of that, actually, and I've been here for 10 years and I didn't know that, so I'm really glad that Lexi brought that up. about the form logic. Now we can dive in deeper, right, and say, you know, ask more questions about the logic, or can I do logic on specific types of questions? And she's going to continue to come back with those answers and respond. But if I come back and say, I still don't understand, and I'll say this is frustrating, right? We're going to see what Lexi comes up with here. And instead of just set and forget it, right? So she actually goes and walks through an example. She's giving us an example of how to create it, how to create the field specifically, which is not something you're going to find in all of these articles. She's actually telling us what to do and how to do it. And she's saying, if you tell me exactly what you want the form to do, I can translate it for you and help you work with it better. So she's really coming in and trying to help and not just saying, good luck, Annie, click on this link instead. She's thinking about my question. She's trying to understand the problem that I'm having and pull me forward into the right solution. Now, if I continue to come through here and say, get me to a human, or I don't know what's going on, right? She's going to escalate that, automatically create a support ticket in our system for a human team member to reach out for. And at any time I can end the chat and start a new chat about a new question as well. So if you haven't tried Lexi for any of your questions around Click, I highly suggest that you do. She is not just going to throw back what a chatbot normally would, which is just links to help articles. Although those can be helpful, she's going to try to understand your actual situation and walk you through how to handle that. That is the big difference between chatbots and AI agents that think and do the right next step.